morning. After a long time, I'm back on this channel. So Alanis made very good videos during the summertime. So now the winter is coming and I'm more and more back in the plant, at my office and in front of this camera. So today, first a little announcement. The International Plastic Exhibition in Düsseldorf will start on the 19th of October until the 26th of October. And we will have a nice booth with some drinks and some food at Hall 16, booth number D77. And of course you are all invited to come and to see me in person. And of course the complete team, but I think I will be the only one wearing this beautiful orange shirt. But the main subject of the video today is our new machine called MF400. The origin was the MF was for manhole fabrication center, but now it can do much more than just a manhole. So one of our customers sent us a list or drawings of holes and cuts they want to do in a pipe. So today we will do all kind of different cuts. This would be cuts for the pipe size 1800. 4 different cuts. After 1800 we will do 1500 millimeter pipe with 4 different cuts. And the last cut of today would be on a pipe 1200 millimeter with different cuts. And I'm really excited if we can fulfill the requirement of our customer. So the machine compared to other technical solutions is that a normal worker on the machine can do all the cuts. It's very simple and easy to set up the machine and to make the holes. But you will see today, because all other competitors, usually you need someone with a certain kind of skill to make a computer edit design drawings, to transfer the drawing to the machine, and then the machine will do the holes. And our approach was that a low-level educated person is able to make all kind of holes and cuts, because in the end of the day we talk about cost per cut, cost per hole. And I hope this video will impress you like it impressed already all our employees, but I think this is normal, and already some of our potential customers. So wait, we go now for the pipe DN 1800 with the first 4 different cuts. Here we are. Now we will go to the first set. This is the of hole number 4. 9 different holes. The first one, the upper left, we will do manually by adding the daters, and all the other 8 holes will be done in a batch production. We add all in an Excel file and it should work automatically. Go to the screen. Now where we have the angle all done, but the first one would be minus 240 millimeters, so we have an offset to the left, minus 240. The vertical position, we calculated, we got no real number, so we take 900 millimeters from the bottom up. The diameter of the hole is 160. And now we don't want to have these support parts, because the pipe is, the hole is really small, so we go to extend it, and with a number of supports 0, and here we can see the hole will look like this, and I think this is all good. We go ahead. Okay, so now next step, here is the activities of the machine. So here we can check the preview. Okay, the hole will be here. It seems really okay. So we go ahead. special information. So here we can see we don't need any extension of the milling tool. So confirm. Yes, we are sure we want to continue. Yes, the position is also correct. So yes. And now we press start. I'm a little bit scared to press start, so I will look to the professionals. Start, yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, so start. Usually I don't work on the machines. If this is my last video, here I am. It seems the hole which I entered manually worked perfect. Now we go to the batch production and we do 8 new pipes directly after each other. Now hole number 2 to 9 we will do with the axle table, and now you can see the screen. I set up already one axle sheet with 8 different, so the 8 remaining holes. I entered all data like a circle, the position, this is the missing minus 240, minus 240, 3 on the center, 3 on the plus side, 240, with all the different height, angles, and all the data I could enter manually. Now they are entered in the Excel sheet. And now we will transfer this file to the machine. Okay, now I uploaded the file to the machine. Here we have this part called multiple object mode, or from Excel file. Now this is the basic setup of the installed or mounted pipe. Yes, it's correct. Now I choose the file and there should be one development. Now I have to load number 1. This would be the item number 1. Item number 2. Item number 3. I make it correctly, I don't know if it works. 6, 7, and number 8. Load object. Now I can see happily here all different circles. We talk about circles, 8. So I can also have different kind of shapes. Now the first would be the lower on the right side. This is ID number 8. ID number 3 would be this one. So I can click to each hole I want. I can recheck all details, all 160 with the different positions. And now I can reconfirm everything. Looks all great. I can see the previews and everything. Great. Okay, now we start. And I will go far away. The 8 holes were made within 2 minutes and 50 seconds, and here you can see already the shape of the pipe, and here you can see one of the main difficulties, that you have different angles because of the offset. So this was like a structured wall pipe. This one in the center is more or less easy, you just go in. But on this side you can see an angle in the wall. And this is really difficult to do with a traditional drilling system. So these 9 holes, and I think hole number 4 worked. And our customer is happy. Here the wall thickness and also the different angles. So now we go to the next hole and we will see what's going on. Okay, so we just made this beautiful hole. This would be like the tangential manhole, cut number 1 and cut number 2. And it was really fantastic work, and I'm really impressed to see the next hole. Also cut 1 and 2 is done, 3 and 4 will happen soon. And then we change to the pipe size 1500. Okay, now we reach hole number 3 of the pipe 1800. This one. And here, because the hole is so big, we will use, or we will leave 3 support parts so that the hole, the old hole will not fly away. Okay, so we start, we do it manually, programmed, set up, and we will run. 1500, and with 1500 we are doing now something special. So you see 1500 with a hole here and a mirrored hole on the other side for 350 millimeter polyethylene pipe. The holes have an offset of the center and a big hole 90 degrees of the mirrored holes. The idea is we make 3 objects without changing anything. We do hole number 1, hole number 2 and hole number 3. So you will see the last axis, the 6th axis of the machine moving by program. So 3 holes in 1 row. Enjoy. Today is 1200 with several cuts. Cut number 1 will be a diagonal cut, but we only do it on the half side of the pipe, not completely, because otherwise it will be collapsed and we cannot make the other cut. Then again a tangential connection, and on this side we have several holes to install steps in the middle of the, or inside of the mantle. So this will be one set, another set, and this one, which was the last, and today is over. long, exciting day at the plant, together with our specialists, we could achieve all holes and cuts our customer wanted. And I'm really sure that you are also impressed what this machine can do and how easy the programming and handling is. So, if you need more information or more details about the cuts, please contact us by email. And if you want to meet us or me at the Düsseldorf K exhibition, please be so free and come next week to Germany, to Düsseldorf. Thank you and stay tuned. Bye for now.